guys, welcome back to the kitchen. So today you guys, we are going to make us a quick stir fry. And we are going to use Fennel Italian sausage. You guys, this is a quick, simple, summer light meal. You guys, I am not finna stay in this kitchen long at all. Not creating this. You guys, so I cut the sausage up, as you guys can see. I don't know. But yeah, I cut them up because I wanted to freshly fry them, you guys. So I'm going to start off by putting a little olive oil in here for a more healthier approach, you guys. Now you could add some butter to give it more of a flavor. The choice is yours. I have some white rice over here doing its thing. And yeah, we got some colored peppers. You guys, we have the sweet yellow. Oh, one got away. We have the green. We have some onions. We have it all. Okay? Because I had this left over and I waste not, want not. Okay? So yeah, we have some green onions in there. And so I decided I'm going to use this and go ahead and just create a light go-to meal, you guys. And yeah, we're going to take it up a notch because we're going to use some Cajun seasoning along with my house seasoning that I created. You guys, so we're going to season it up with my house seasoning first. Let's season these bell peppers up because we want to get these started to cook. Because I don't want them, I want that bite, but I really don't want to like cook them till they get soft, you guys. If that makes sense. So yeah, gonna let these do their thing so that I can pull them out. So like I say, you guys, I have some, let's get that out the way. These are our sausage over here. And I'm going to put a little seasoning on that. So yeah, I'm going to do this thing right here. Get some of that seasoning over in the sausage. You guys, what are you enjoying on today as far as the meal? I hope you guys have checked out some of my videos on the quick meals, you guys, because it's hot. And one might not want to stay in the kitchen. I know I don't. So I'm going to let this cook for a second. Okay, so now I am going to pull this out because I want to cook my sausage in this pan of goodness right here. We're going to sit this back here. I'm sorry for putting my hands in the way. Let's go put this right on in here. Just like so. Now I have the skin left on mine because I enjoy the skin on Italian sausage. It gives it that bite, you guys. Gotta put that little seasoning on it. Waste not, want not. And yeah, we're gonna let this do its thing. Now at this point, like I said, we have some rice over here. I have to see about that. You can add more oil in here if you like. The choice is yours. Or you can add butter, which I'm going to add a little more oil. How they say, just enough to wet the whistle and get it to frying. You guys, if you can smell it, let's get that little piece of onion out of there. We don't want anything to cause this smoke detector to go off. I also love to do my sausage like this and do a spaghetti with it. There's many ways you can do this, you guys. So yeah. Okay, let's check on our sausage. Oh yeah, they're coming along. Look at there. This is gonna have tons of goodness. I gotta get rid of this, guys. Oh my goodness. If you guys could smell this, just make sure other sides are being cooked. Fennel sausage is the best, you guys. It's the best. Oh, that smells so delicious. And I'm going to put a little Worcestershire in here. Worcestershire. I don't know why I cannot seem to find soy sauce in my neighborhood now. I don't understand it. But, you know, we make way over here. That's what we do on this channel. We make a way because all things can't continue to be delicious, you guys. Look at that goodness right there. Look at this goodness right there. Oh my goodness. You guys, look at that. And so yeah, we're going to let that cook a few more minutes. Because it doesn't take long at all to cook this. At all. It's a quick meal. You don't have to worry about too much sweating in the kitchen. You guys. At all. And like I said, I have some rice over here. Let's just put that right there. You guys, I was reaching in the refrigerator And I thought to myself, I said, you know, let's put a little garlic. You got it. Because I had a little in this jar. So why not get rid of it? Yeah, so garlic is in there now. Like I say, you guys, anything in the kitchen to create you a nice savory meal. You guys, this is nice to enjoy. Just sit back and enjoy some comfort food. Oh, look at there. And the garlic gave you that kick. Yes, it did. That garlic took it to a whole new level. Took it to a whole new level. So let me get me a plate out. Get me a plate out right quick, you guys. Because we're going to taste this deliciousness. Yes, we are. Oh, look at this. Now there you have it. A plate of delicious stir fry using Fennel sausage, Italian sausage that is. And yeah, I took it up a notch, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. And I hope you share this video with everyone. And yes, if you're not part of the fam, come join the fam. I would love to meet you. Oh, I can't wait to get this first bite. You guys want it? Mmm. 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 All that delicious flavor. Oh, you guys. It's definitely a must-try recipe. Oh, tastes so delicious. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video enough to thumbs it up, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, come join your girl. And leave a comment below so I know where to go. Enjoy the rest of your day. Goodbye.